following counties in New Jersey, Essex, Morris, and Passaic. Flood warning in effect from this afternoon until further notice. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Passaic River at Pine Brook. When? From this afternoon until further notice. Impacts at 19.0 feet. Street flooding begins in Fairfield, including Camp Lane Road. Two Bridges Road is closed going into Lincoln Park and Wayne. At 19.5 feet, Horseneck Road in Fairfield is subject to flooding and closures. At 20.0 feet, Eagle Rock Avenue in Roseland is subject to flooding. Camp Lane Road, River, and Broadway. Stewart Place is closed. At 20.5 feet, Bloomfield Avenue in West Caldwell floods. And subject to closure. 21.0 feet, widespread flooding in Fairfield, including Bloomfield. In Wayne. Bloomfield Avenue in West Caldwell are flooded. Additional details. At 10:15 a.m. Friday, the stage was 18.5 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon and continue rising to a crest of 20.4 feet early Sunday morning. Flood stage is 19.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 20.4 feet on January 29, 1996. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.